Hey guys, it's Brian with B-Stride DIY. I want to show you some of these deals. I clicked on Harbor Freight and they have some spring savings from March 17th to 31st. And as far as I know, these are different from the spring coupons, of course, different from that spring parking lot sale. So these are new and they'll last through the 31st. So first up here, they have some 30% off all paint brushes and rollers. Now this is great because it's a good time for painting, getting into the spring and summer. Now one thing you're going to want to keep in mind and watch out for is they have best and like better. You just want to pick the best ones, especially if they're 30% off. You want to look at the quality of the actual paint brushes. And they come in sets a lot of the times, and you should be able to get 30% off those sets as well. Now for the bar clamps, they're going to have 20% off all bar. So if you're going to have a woodworking project that's coming up, these would be good for that. And I think they were on sale as well during the parking lot sale, but that's kind of null and valid at this point. But some good deals, 30% off all the brushes and rollers, 20% off all the bars and clamps. And then you have this $79 Portland 1750 PSI 1.3 GPM corded electric pressure washer. That was $90 or $89. It's going to be 11% off. Pretty high ratings, about 4.8 stars here. Let me go ahead and click this. You can get a closer view. Yeah, 4.3 stars or so. But this is great if you want to clean off your porch. You know, you have some walkways that need cleaning. Not super powerful, but just powerful enough to kind of do your normal DIY job stuff for everyday use here. Now next for $19.99, you've got these 24-foot LED outdoor string lights, excuse me. These are 28% off. They were $27. They said they come in multiple colors. I've only seen them in black, but the cool thing with these is you can attach them to each other. So you say you have 3 different kits because you're stringing them around like an outdoor patio, you can do that as well. From Predator, next up, you have this 9-inch 43cc 2-stroke gas cultivator for $199. It's going to be $20 off here with about 4.5 stars. From Greenwood, you have this $29.99 100-foot contractor garden hose. And when they say the contractor, they're saying it's kind of their level up. The one that's underneath it is going to be maybe like 20 bucks. This is the Bauer 5-amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander for $109.99. This is going to be $60 off. If you're working on some drywall, you have to finish it up before you prime it and paint it. Now this is a 7-foot 4-inch by 9-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant tarp. This is going to be $3.99. It was $5.99, so you're getting 20% off if you just need a standard tarp to put over whatever, like log piles or say you have a cord of wood or something you want to cover up. Now from $8.99, this is going to be the Hallmaster 2,000-pound capacity 5-foot by 10-foot custom modular utility trailer. Now this is going to be $100 off. This was basically $1,000 or $9.99. They're marking it down to $899.99. So a decent deal on that. Next up, this is the Greenwood Trigger Spray Nozzle. This is going to be $3.99. $2 off. It was $5.99. If you just need a replacement spray handle for your hose, you went outside, you noticed your old one, the handle's not working on it, it's broken. This is just a nice replacement one for 33% off here. Sometimes those handles do break and you just need to pick up a new one rather than fixing the old one, or it's just more expensive to do it. Now from Bauer, you've got this 20-volt cordless string trimmer. This is going to be the tool only, so keep that in mind. For $44.99, it was $54. This is going to be 18% off. Now from Bauer, this is a 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbital palm sander for $19.99. This is going to be 50% off, so that's a good deal on this one. Who all like those Hercules deals on the corded tools? What was it, 30% off or something on all the corded tools? I like those broad deals where you can kind of pick what you want and not be limited to one certain tool. Anyways, this is a microfiber cleaning cloth. It's a 12-pack for $3.99. You're getting 33% off. It was $5.99 on this one. Next for Bauer is this 2,000 PSI Max Performance Electric Pressure Washer. This is going to be $169.99. And at $30 off, it was $199. Pretty high ratings on this one. There's usually a deal on this, and it's kind of hovering around $159 to $179 depending on the deal. So this is kind of right in the middle on those deals. Now from Avanti, this is the airless paint primer and stain sprayer for $199. This is going to be $50 off, $249. Decent deal on this one. It does come down to $179 with their big deals, maybe $169 Black Friday, but this is a pretty decent deal this time of year on this one. From Doyle, you're getting this 31.5-inch forged steel bypass lopper for $39.99. It was 11% off on this one with pretty decent ratings. And guys, let me know in the comments if there's anything of these that you want to pick up, or if there's anything from that parking lot sale that you picked up and thought was a pretty decent deal. Bauer, you've got this 14.5 amp 16-inch electric chainsaw. This is 13% off at $64.99. From Hallmaster, you're getting this 2-ball aluminum hitch. It's a 6-inch drop with a 6-inch rise for $109.99. This is going to be $30 off. The ratings do look pretty decent on this one at about 4.7, 4.8 stars here as well. And yeah, let me know, because I thought the batteries had a really good clearance deal on Spring Black Friday, as well as some of the broad deals on like Icon and Quinn. They had some pretty decent deals there. Next, this is a 10 amp 7-inch wet tile saw with sliding table. $30 off at $269. One little tip as well, if you don't want to shell out a ton of money for like a tile saw or something, you can actually go to big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot and rent certain tools for like $40 for $50 for a whole day, and just redo a bathroom. But just keep in mind that it's something that you'll, if you want to go back and do it again, you won't have the same tool, so you have to relearn the tool. Next, from Greenwood, is this propane torch with push button igniter for $27. It's going to be 26% off. It was $37 if you have to knock out some weeds like on a walkway or something, or whatever you need to use it for. From Vanguard, this is a 50-foot extension cord, indoor or outdoor, $17.99. This is 21% off. And then from Predator, you've got this 1-inch 79cc gas engine clear water pump, 35 GPMs. This is going to be $199, and it's $30 off. And as far as the ratings, looks like it has pretty good ratings, about 4.6, 4.8 stars on this one here. And guys, leave a like on the video. It does help the algorithm. This is, it doesn't say a brand, but this is the small gas can for $14.99. If you just want to lug this to the gas station instead of bringing the big one to fill up your edgers, trimmers, lawnmower. 8.25-inch bypassed hand pruner. This is going to be $9.99 and 23% off. It was originally $12.99 with some decent ratings here. 4 cubic foot cement mixer. If you need that for $3.29, that's going to be $50 off. This is from Bauer. And from Hardy, you got these pigskin leather work gloves for $3.99. That's going to be 33% off. 60 yards of painter's tape, 28% off. You can always stock up on that. And then this 2-gallon home and garden sprayer for $11.99. This is going to be 25% off here. You can just store whatever chemicals you need in this and just get some larger ones for the larger jobs you need around the house. Now for $9.99, this is a steel handle lopper for 25% off. And Bauer has these 29-inch steel folding sawhorses. These have a 600-pound capacity for $19.99. That's 20% off. It was $24. And that does come with a set of 2, I believe. Now, this is an 8-foot, 4-inch by 11-foot, 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $8.99. This is going to be 18% off. Again, you can just use these to put on some log piles or protect equipment, whatever you need to use it for. Now, next is a 62-inch bow rake for $17.99. This is going to be 21% off. Pretty highly rated. Looks like it's got that carbon handle with a nice bright yellow color here, and you're saving 21% off on this deal. One thing I actually think I overlooked in the last parking lot sale, by the way, was flashlights. They had some really good deals on flashlights. Let me know if you picked one of those up. Next is a new item. It's a 6-foot by 8-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp for $7.99. This is 20% off. Pretty decent deal there. From Niagara, this is a 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer for $39.99. It was $47. This is 16% off. Maybe if you have some larger chemicals, you're treating the yard, or some weeds you want to kill in the yard, this might be a good one for that. Next is this canvas drop cloth for $6.99. This is a 6-foot by 9-foot cloth, 30% off. Again, if you're taking advantage of those paint deals up above the 30% off deal, you might want to pick up 1 or 2 of these drop cloths if you're doing a few rooms in a house or you're a contractor. Looking for some cheap drop cloths, these are a lifesaver here. From Drummond, you've got this 1 horsepower portable sprinkler pump. It's a 1075 GP hour, $119.99. That's $20 off. On this deal, it was $139. So let's go ahead and scroll down to see what we have next here. Next up, we have this foam kneeling pad for $3.99. That's going to be 42% off. In case you don't want to wear like I call them knee pads that stick onto your actual knees when you're doing tile work, you can just bring this around and use this. Or you can pick up a few of these if you have a few people doing some tile work where you need some knee protection. Next is this Pittsburgh 1 1/4 inch fiberglass axe. This is going to be $6.99. It looks like $8.49. It's going to be 22% off with some decent ratings here. 22-inch head shears with wavy blade for $9.99, 33% off. It was like $15. And now you had this no squeeze fireman's nozzle sprayer for $7.99. This is going to be 20% off. And with this, you don't have the sprayer where you need to hold it down if you're doing a lot of yard work. This kind of relieves stress and pressure on your hand, where you can just push that handle down and you don't have to squeeze anything. You just basically point and it's going to be spraying everything. This is great for watering or if you need to water large areas. Now remember, there's going to be a limit of 1 coupon per customer, it's saying, and they're not valid with other purchases like stacking and things like that, unfortunately. But these are some pretty decent deals. I know they had the spring coupons that they just let out, but these appear different from those spring super coupons and of course different from the parking lot sale. So scrolling back up, I wanted to show you some of the best deals in case you missed some of the front ones here. These are the all paint brushes and rollers, 30% off all the paint brushes and rollers in the store. And again, check out for the kits because they do come in kits, and look for the ones that say best on them, not necessarily the ones that say better. And of course, they have the 20% off all bar clamps. If you're doing woodworking, you need some kind of vise in your woodworking shop, this might be something to add on to what you already have. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and check out the next one down here.